Hello, good morning. So, this video will include lots of A1 words. So, this video is for beginners. If you are beginning to learn English, you will need to know the words that are in the A1 category. So, by watching this video, you will hear lots of A1 words. I'll show them to you now, the words that you will hear in this video. My name is Stephanie and I make videos on YouTube to help you improve your English. So if that's something that you might be interested in, feel free to hit the subscribe button if you would like to see more videos like this. It is autumn in Australia, so often people will do a spring clean, but I'm going to do an autumn clean. So I am going to tidy up my pantry. My pantry is the cupboard that has all of my food in it. It's the month of May and it's nearly winter. I want to open my window so that I get some fresh air in my kitchen. This is my kitchen where I am now. But there's someone mowing their lawn outside and it's making a bit of noise. So I'm going to leave my window closed for now. I might open it later. I've had my coffee this morning. Let me show you the mess that is my cupboard. It's not a pretty picture. Are you ready to see what's inside my pantry? I'm not ready to show you, but I will anyway. Have a look. It is a mess. I have lots of things to tidy and clean. I will take them out one thing at a time and I'll put everything back in order. I know I will feel wonderful when I finish this job. I will improve this situation. I will get to work. Let's go. It's Sunday, so today is a good day to do this job. So it's 11:20 when I'm starting this job. I wonder how long it's going to take me. This morning I woke up and I watched TV. So I watched the Eurovision Song Contest this morning. It was very exciting. So I was thinking I might make a video talking about that because I was going to say something to you now about Eurovision, and then I realized I've got a lot to say. So I might save that for another video. I have to pay attention to if it rains because I put my laundry out. So I put my wet washing out on the clothesline. So if it rains, I will have to go outside and bring the clothes back in. It's looking nice at the moment, but there are some clouds. So I'll have to pay attention in case it rains. I'm putting out everything on my counter and then I'll put it back in neatly. So I just got my cloth and I wiped down the shelf. I'll make sure it's dry and then I'll start putting food back in. Exciting times here at my house, cleaning out my cupboard. The thing is, I will feel so good once it's all organized. So it is getting there slowly but surely. And now I've got another empty space here. I definitely have more tea than one person needs because I've got tea in two different places here. Okay, so I feel like I'm getting there, but I still have a little bit more to go. So I'm going to keep going until I have it finished. It's getting there, slowly but surely. And I found some food and some things that are a bit old and I probably have to throw out, which is a waste. And I don't like wasting food, but it's better to sort it out. Plus, it's a good thing that I'm finding some things so I have a better idea of what I should make, what I should cook. Well, good news, I've found chocolate in my cupboard that I didn't know I had, so that's always good. And I think I know what I'll be having for dinner for a little while because I have got an abundance of rice and pasta and more pasta. So I have a lot of carbs. I did want to check how many of these I had. These are different flavored rice, so they are different. Maybe it was a mistake to buy so many at once. However, now I can use these up and I don't need to go and buy more for a little while. The price of the rice when I bought them wasn't expensive. The price was good. So I did buy quite a few altogether. As I went through my cupboard, I looked at what the use by date was for different things. So this coconut water is still good, but I should use it up soon. Before I started tidying, could you imagine what the cupboard would look like when I was finished? I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like now. I've put some of the foods at the front that I want to use up first. I've tried to make it so that I can see everything easily. I've got a little bit too much chocolate there, I realize, and also these multivitamins and protein bars and muesli bars. I've got plenty of those. So what do you think? Would you have organized this the same as I have? Or would you have done it differently? So this video has been to help you with A1 words. My plan is to make more videos doing different things, going to different places, and I will hopefully help you to learn the top 3,000 words. That's a lot of words, but I'll start with A1 and then I'll get to A2, B1, B2, etc. And I'll try to use as many of the words as I can so that you can learn them. Okay, thank you for being here and watching this video. Comment down below, how would you have organized the pantry? Would you have done it differently to me? I would like to know. Okay, I will see you soon.